Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the exact data you'll need while the device is in flight mode. Turn on flight mode, but do not waste time toggling other settings. If you plan to use local Wi-Fi later, keep it off now. Download maps, emails, documents, and media to local storage. This is critical because once airborne, you cannot fetch new content. Make sure you have 5 to 2 GB free for caches, and label folders so you can find files fast without network lookups. Once your files are local, configure each app for offline operation so you can access content seamlessly. Open your reading, mapping, and media apps and switch them to offline mode, then trigger a manual sync or cache build so indexes are ready. Point apps to local file paths rather than cloud links to avoid broken references. Close background sensors and automatic backups to conserve battery and storage. This also prevents accidental re-enabling of network features that would. Now you use the device normally. Open files, play downloaded media, and run offline navigation or notes. Work deliberately. Rely on local search and bookmarks rather than expecting live updates. When you finish, double-check that any queued network tasks are saved, then disable flight mode to sync. If something does go wrong, an app won't show cached items or media fails, reboot the device first. If that fails, clear and rebuild the app cache or re-download the specific files. That usually fixes most offline access issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.